And now the shower here. Wow, you see the sprinkles on his body? I bet he's into the water.
Ano lang siya, akala ko totoo.
And right here you can see the father of the baby elephant. So look. Wow, he's using his strong enough. Do you want to get wet?
Right!
Alright, but be careful with me. He's coming again. And now we are entering this Asian temple. And you can see giant spiders here. The little spiders are not only huge, they're all poisonous. And I heard they can jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, we're just 10 feet away. If they jump, they'll jump over us.
Ah, may cobra. Tingnan po tayo.
After we pass the temple, we're now entering the true heart of the jungle. Can you see the tourist temples over there? What are these? What are these? Yes, crocodiles. You know, we call them crocodiles, but they call food. And I heard they're always for volcanoes, they for way temporary, so remember, these are both. And number 10 crocodile friends, Professor Paul and Jane, have set up their campsite here. So unfortunately, there's some unexpected happening.
Yan siya na, yung kapatid natin.
Well, now we have come to the south. A bunch of animals have come down to the riverbank and just drink. Hey, say goodbye to the elephant here. He knows how to reply. And then we are entering this simple food. Wow, those hills are around 6,000
Ingat
pounds.
cellphone
They're
mo,
all
ah.
very heavy. And these 6,000 pounds creature is like a thing, my boy.
Ayun o.
You see the five guys who are
Doon! Ingat na si Niloy. Oh. Meron tayong good winner dito. For 2 years. Hundred lang pala siya eh. 600 lang ito.
Please be quiet, hello, so we have to your head will not go away. Oh no, and it's that. Oh guys, I think they're here. Look, get down, get down. You get this